So, this is the Razer Huntsman Mini 60% keyboard, pure white, with the Clicky keys. So, the keyboard is super good. I don't have my laptop right now. I left it at my grandparents' house, which it would be lighted up from, but the lights are really good. The customization's good. You could click FN and you could like up the volume with these keys and stuff, and it has so many settings for playback and stuff when you're watching videos. The spacebar is not wobbly at all. It's super stable, super good. And the keys can come off and you can see the keycaps. So this is what the clicky ones look like. It's fully customizable. You can get more keycaps. The cord, I like how it's a weave cable. I got this keyboard for a discount. Just when I did get it out of the box, I had like a scuff on the keys. See, it's like on the 0. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard to see on camera. But it was there, and it is kind of still there. But it did have a little bit of like dust on it. So I didn't know if it was used, but I don't think it's used. It seemed pretty new to me, and I really like it. And it also came with this sticker right here. I have a lot of Razer products. Came with this sticker, that one, and that one under the Shrek. This one I got with my mouse. Then I got this one, I think, with my keyboard. This one with my Razer mic. So yeah, I'm pretty into the Razer stuff, but yeah, I really recommend it. And I also recommend the Razer Sonelsa, which is my old keyboard. It was pretty good. But I wanted a mechanical one and a 60%, so recommend. Really good.
Sounds like a gaming mouse. These literally sound like a gaming mouse. Buy this for $89.
The Razer Huntsman 60% mini gaming keyboard. You got plastic on bottom, you got metal right there. Clicky does the usual RGB chroma effects. Right now I got the fire going on there. It's got a good weight to it. Honestly, it's the perfect travel keyboard. So if you're one of those people that likes to travel and has a gaming setup, this one's probably just right for you.
The best keyboard ever.